What is going on YouTube? So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Bimmercode to remove the TPMS warning light out from your dash and your iDrive display. So I'm going to show you guys the software side with Bimmercode, or you can even use Pro Tools if you have it to disable these lights, but you also have to physically remove the RDC module. So 2011s and prior, well, mid-year 2011s and prior, the RDC module location is actually in the driver's side footwell. My car is a 2011 and mine is actually located in the driver's side footwell. But if you have a later year 2011 and newer X5, your RDC module location will actually be down here, and I'll show you guys. You have to crawl underneath it, get underneath this muffler. You see this subframe section right here? I'm gonna grab this rear sway bar and pull myself over here. Now you can see these three little standoff nubs. That is where the RDC module location would be. So I can't really see what's on my frame on the camera, so let me try to zoom out here. So this is where the RDC module location should be on your late model 2011s and newer E70 X5s. It's a black module. You just have to disconnect it, or you can completely remove the module and just wrap up the electrical connector so it doesn't get water damage. Those are your two RDC module locations. So I'm gonna start now by removing this under trim panel. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove my dongle, and we need a Phillips screwdriver so we can go ahead and detach this, and I'll show you where the RDC module location is. With those three Phillips screws removed, you can pull this panel down and then pull forward a little bit. It's going to work it around the brake pedal. You have two electrical connectors here, so let's get these disconnected. That's a light, and this is some kind of speaker. They just pull right out. Panel out completely. Okay, and with the plastic tray out of the way, right here's your module location. You have a little plastic tab right here. We're going to push it back and pull this module out. Just like that. Black locking tab here. Looks like we gotta squeeze this down. Flip that lever down, and then you can pull your RDC module out. We'll tuck this back up in here, out of the way. Now we need to work this tray back in. Just gotta finesse it, work it around this brake pedal. Take your connectors, for your speaker, hook it back up, and for this light, hook it back up as well. There we go. Tuck this wiring harness in as much as we can. this one tucked in here. You'll watch these air ducts. You got one right here, it's kind of in the way, and another one right here, it's in the way. So you can get this pushed in to clear those. You got one right here as well for your foot. So just kind of caress it in. With everything lined up, let's go ahead, put your 3 Phillips screws back in. And now we're going to use Bimmercode to coat everything out. So I'm going to show you guys how to use Bimmercode to disable these lights. So if you've never used it before, I highly recommend it. You can download this app on Android or iPhone. So now that we're connected, oh, and make sure you're in accessories, by the way. Turn off your headlights, turn off HVAC. So with everything turned off, vehicle and accessory, we're going to focus on head unit and instrument cluster. So I'm going to start first with the head unit. So you want to use expert mode for both of these. So I'm going to toggle that over. It's going to give you a warning, accept. So up top, we want to search RDC, and you're going to have RDC underscore safety. Select both of them, so click it. Well, one's already not active, so that's the selection that you want, not active. So I want to back out. RDC safety, not active. So now we're going to do instrument cluster, same thing. Expert mode, accept. I'm going to search RDC, monitor, not active, not active. Okay, and with everything set to not active, go ahead, code it to your vehicle, and once it's coded, start your vehicle. And mine was a flat tire warning, so it's going to keep popping up. So what you want to do is go to your vehicle status menu. So I'll show you guys from the beginning. Down here, vehicle info, vehicle status, you're going to have your flat tire monitor. Go below it right here to hit reset. You have to be sitting somewhere idling, and then hit reset. It's going to reset the flat tire monitor, and it's going to get rid of that flat tire light, and it's going to get rid of the TPMS light as well. So everything will be off your dash, and everything will be off your iDrive display. So I hope this video helps you guys out. You know, it's one less light on the dash, and that's always a good thing. So as always, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. Okay, if you guys have a 2010 and prior X5 35D and you want to delete your TPMS light, you have to get underneath the driver's side footwell here, and it's this white module, and it's literally labeled RDC module. So you need to disconnect it. And once you disconnect it, that's the physical aspect of getting rid of your TPMS light on the dash. Next, you have to code it, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that with Bimmercode. So here's the physical delete. Now, if you have a 2011 up, the RDC module is actually black, and it's mounted on the rear subframe near the muffler and parking brake actuator.